Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Terminal because that's where commands run. Use Spotlight with Cmd plus space, type Terminal, and hit Enter. This is fastest. Once Terminal appears, make sure you recognize the prompt. It shows your username and current folder. If you'll use it often, drag the icon to the dock so you don't repeat this step. Now that Terminal is open, you're ready to run your first command and see immediate text feedback, which helps you learn what each command does. You now learn the core commands to move and inspect files because navigation is essential. Type ls to list items, and lsla when you need hidden files and permissions. That helps you understand file visibility and rights. Use cd followed by a folder name to move in and cd. To go up one level, pwd tells you the full current path so you don't get lost. Make folders with mkdir. And remember, completion with tab speeds, typing, and reduces mistakes. You're ready to run commands and handle hiccups, understanding why matters. Prepend sudo for admin-level commands. The system will ask for your password to confirm. Only do this when you trust the command. If a command errors, read the first error line, verify spelling and paths, and use help or man to see usage details. That often solves confusion. If a process hangs, press Ctrl+C to cancel, and when you're done, close Terminal with Cmd+.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.